Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. Students, today we will start our chapter number 5 on page number 28. Everybody should open their textbooks with you. So our topic is water for every household. Okay, so do you know we have to use water for many other purposes like washing utensils, for cooking, for washing your clothes, for cleaning the floor. For many things we have to use our water. Okay, so but there is difference. You can use stale water. Stale water means the water which is old. पुराना पानी बोलते हैं ना, एक कंटेनर में भरा हुआ है, वो 4 दिन पुराना है, 10 दिन पुराना है. That you can use for cleaning purpose, like washing clothes or cleaning the floor. But if you are using the water for drinking or cooking, you have to use clean water, daily water and fresh water. Okay, that is like you used to get in the bottles or you used to bring from the well. If you get water from well or in bore wells, you have to boil the water. Okay, so open your page number 28. There you will see some kind of utensils. Okay, some kind of storage where you can store water in your home. So this is a pot. This is an earthen pot. मटका बोलते हैं, मटका, मट्टी का मटका. So this is the earthen pot. This is a brass pot. This is tank. This is plastic tank. And this is a steel tank. This is a big one. Okay, so these are some things you can find in your home. You can ask your mother or your grandmother, your father, your grandfather that can we see these things? This is your activity. Okay, find these things. So in olden days, brass, copper, these pots were found, so we can store water in that. That water used to be good for drinking purpose. But nowadays we also use brass, copper as well as steel and plastic containers to store water, right? So what happens? How will we take care of our drinking water? How will you take care of your drinking water? If the water is open outside in your balcony, will you drink that? No, you won't drink that water. You will keep that water for birds, for any animal to drink. Okay, you will not drink. What will happen if any dog come and drink that water and then you drink? You will get sick, right? So what will happen if we use dirty water, contaminated water? Dirty water means contaminated water. You will get diseases, water diseases like cholera. Then malaria is like open water. If you use that water, if the water is open for so long, like बारिश का पानी जब जमा होता है उसको साफ नहीं करते तो मच्छर आते हैं, right? So with that mosquitoes, people used to get malaria, dengue, like that water. Dirty water, we get diseases. What you should do? You should use a dipper. This is a dipper. See on page number 29. This is a dipper. You should use dipper to take water from the container. You should not put your hand in the container because there are many germs on your hand. You should wash your hand daily 2 times. After coming inside your home, you should wash your hand and sit with your family. That is the good habits, right? You have learned good habits before. So you should, what you should do is, if you have stored enough water in your home, you should not throw that water. That is a bad habit. That is not, that means you are wasting the water. You should not waste the water. You use that water for planting. You have plants in your home, then you use that water for plants. Then or else washing clothes, you put that water in your washing machine so that that water will be used, and store fresh water. Daily you should store fresh water. Okay. Then come on page number 30. These are the tanks. Can you see these tanks above your buildings? You will have tanks. So the tanks are installed on the roof of your buildings, of your home, so that you will get water through pipes in the tap. In olden days, what happened? We don't have tap in the olden days. So what we used to do, people used to go to the borewell, go to the wells and take the water in the bucket and come to our house. Like that. You can ask your mother or ask your grandmother whether they did like that or not. Now we have taps. Nal hai ghar mein, right? So वो नल जब open करेंगे, we get water. How we will get water? Because we have tank in our home. So what happens? This water is stored in this tank, and later on whenever we need this tank, we will open the tank, we will use it for cleaning, washing or cooking, like that, whenever it is needed. Okay. Then turn to page number 31. Water supply for human settlement. Okay, water supply for human settlement. Settlement means where we live. We are settled here. So this is our living, our habitat. This is settlement. Okay. So what happened? We have rivers, we have lakes, we have water stored reservoirs, so that we will have enough water throughout the year. Okay. That is the main thing. So we'll get water. So what happened? It is difficult for people to go and bring water from the lake. सावित्री नदी से हम रोज महाड़ में पानी तो नहीं ला सकते, right? That is hard. That is difficult to get, right? Will your mother go and bring water from Savitri Nadi? No, because we have tap in our home, we have nulls in our home. We will directly take from that. Water is stored over there in our home. Why we will go to the lake? Why we will go to the Savitri Nadi? So what happens? A large water source is identified near a settlement. My building is my settlement. Okay, so I will stay here. I am settled over here. So I will have large water source. I have tank up on the terrace. That is my water source. Okay, what happens? Water is made safe for drinking. How water is made safe for drinking? By purification. What we will do? We will purify water. In olden days, now we have RO purifier, we have stone purifiers. But in olden days, how old people used to, how your grandmother or great grandmother, आपकी परदादी, आपकी परनानी, वो लोग कैसे पानी प्यूरिफाई करते थे कि वो पानी पी सके? Yeah, by boiling the water. We take the water, we boil, then we can drink that water. That is safe for our health. So purification is the method in which water is made safe for drinking. Okay, and when water is arranged, like in my building there are pipes. मेरे घर में आता है, मेरे नीचे वाले फ्लैट में जाता है, उसके नीचे वाले फ्लैट में जाता है, उसके नीचे वाले फ्लैट में जाता है. That times it is called distribution. What is it called? Distribution. So arrangements are made to distribute water all over the city. अभी आपने देखा होगा शिवाजी चौक में एक बड़ा टैंक के ऊपर, like that it goes like this. एक बहुत बड़ा टैंक है at one height. So water is stored in that tank. So what happens? At a particular time that water is left. With the help of pumps, that water is filled first, and then at a particular time, like in the morning or in the evening, water is left. So I will get water in my tank. I will save in my tank. That is called distribution of water. Thank you.